So this is Rudy. He's a Shepherd mix, and he is about 15 years old. Hey guy, yeah. He's doing okay for being 15 years old. He's just looking for that retirement home, someone to hang with. He does have some looser hips, so he is on some pain medications, some joint supplements. Yeah, so he'll need a little extra loving, extra care. Oh, God. Yeah. You're a good boy, though, aren't you? Yes, you are. Oh, yeah, it's a D spot, yeah. Oh. You like your treats, don't you? So we'll let him run around in the play yard a little bit. Yeah. Oh, look right there. Yeah. So yeah, I know there's a lot of shepherd lovers out there, so come out and check Rudy out. All he wants is a lot of loving. Yeah. What do you think, boy? So, and if you know friends that like shepherds, tell them to come on down. He just needs a loving home to retire in. Yeah. Get that extra care and love with. My sweeties. Yeah.